Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy Z, and today I want to show you a little something interesting. One of my friends has a vitamin store and he needed some help. He had a web developer build him a garbage website. He paid me to manage the Google My Business account on June 10, and as you can see, he had just phone call once every like 10 days and some request directions, but 0 visits to the website, 0 messages, 0 calls almost. Then as soon as I did the work, right away boosted, the request directions boosted, call you boosted. Nobody has ever visited the website before, but now as you can see, people are visiting the website daily, right? Sometimes 3 people, 4 people, and don't forget we just started. So at this moment I start to dabble a little bit, and over here the reason why you don't see anything is because I was doing some split testing because Google did not give this person the My Products feature, which I do a lot of SEO in that category, but whatever, I tried to get it for him but it didn't work. So as you can see, everything just shot up after we did some optimization. And so basically at this moment I decided to rebuild his website because it was just garbage. And yeah, while I was doing SEO and designing his website, his Google My Business grew, and as you can see,